Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clone Windows from an old hard drive to new SSD without using any external program. Use Format USB drive. Old hard disk having C drive is 59 GB. Only Chrome browser application is installed. Right-click Start button, type File History. Configure File History settings. Click System Image Backup. Click Create a system image. If any error using USB drive, use network location. Default selection is System Partition, C drive, and Windows Recovery Environment. If any drives available, you can also select it. System image is created on network location. You can copy the folder and paste it into USB drive. Now replace old hard disk with new SSD. Now boot with Windows Bootable CD. Click Troubleshoot, click System Image Recovery. Select System Image on USB drive. Remaining space is allotted to unallocated space. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.